Hello everyone and welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. Are you new to GIS or are you new to the analysis world and you're actually looking for how to get various shape files, probably an administrative layer, a simple road network, a simple water body that you're actually needing to do any of your analysis. In this video, we'll be introducing you to DIVA-GIS, a quick tool, website rather, to actually get any geospatial data you may be needing. So quickly, let's open our browser together. Once we've opened that up, we just simply type DIVA-GIS. Once we're here, we could click on Home. Let's explore it together. This opens, we click on Spatial Data. So here we select the country you're interested in downloading data for. You probably select what type of data. So we have administrative areas, inland water bodies, road network, railway, elevation, that's digital elevation model. We have land cover. We also have population and basically that's forest cover. So down here we'll have a better illustration on the data, the data source, the years and everything. So for the land cover, these are at 2000. For the population, these are the year 2000 as well. So this data isn't really updated that often. So this is just for a benchmark kind of database. So probably I want to download administrative areas. Once I've picked that, I'll just come here, click on this, and it automatically starts downloading. So it's that simple. You could actually replicate the process for anywhere you may be interested in working with. So we've come to the end of that. Once you've done, you can actually open the shapefile, open the zip, unzip it, and navigate it on any of your QGIS or ArcGIS platform you may be interested in working with. So it's that simple. Now we've been able to explore how to download data using DIVA-GIS. I hope this quick tutorial was helpful. Please give it a like and a subscribe to GeoKloud Academy for more essential videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy mapping.